Lakefront acreage, lakefront home next door, also for sale. This is about 5 acres zoned AG for the low-maintenance citrus grove, with almost 250 feet of frontage on beautiful Lake Yale. Located conveniently in quiet, rural central Florida, between Mount Dora and the Villages. It's a short drive to parks like Disney or Universal, as well as the Beaches of Daytona or the Forest Springs Ocala. When you add this acreage to the listing next door, you can be a self-contained private compound of over 10 acres or just build your private luxury home, the edge of paradise.